Hello students. Today we are going to discuss man-machine charts. We have already seen the video of method study. Basically, we have discussed the application of various chart, flow diagrams, string diagrams, etc. in the method study. Today we will discuss multiple activity charts. This kind of chart basically record the activity of the operator and the machine at the same time or on the common time scale. It bifurcates the utilization of machine and operator. On this basis or recorded event, we can minimize the idleness or we can improve the utilization. These are the man machine charts. Basically, operator and this is the machine. When operator is loading the job, it takes 20 seconds, but machine is again idle. But when the machine is running, man is idle. So can we give some other work either on this machine when it is idle or when operator is idle? Can he do something different? That means we can improve the utilization of the man or machine. Overall, we have to calculate the cycle time of the operator and machine. This is again one operation that we have already discussed in method study. This is the operation, transportation, delay, inspection and storage. How all this go from the checking of aisle, that is the part of inspection, operation to fill the aisle. Again, this is the operation. We have to, this is the transportation, storage. For the storage, we have to move the material. Again, this is the inspection. These are the process. These are the sequence of the operation. Travel chart, basically it indicates the distance from one location to another location, basically for the operators. From A to B or from B to A, both are same. So from A to A distance is 0, but from B to A distance is 200. From C to A, D to B. Then after all this, we calculate the overall time. These are the departments. From this department to this department, how much frequency is there? It is traveling 3 times and distance is 112. Traveling 2 times from account to stores and distance is 120. That means we have to multiply frequency and distance and have to find the total distance, and whether we can propose some other layouts or other methods, or we can minimize the number of frequency of traveling from one point to another point, or we can minimize the distance so that overall productivity of the method will enhance. Primary question is the purpose based. What is actually done, why it is done, is it necessary to do? Place based, where it is done and why only at that place, what will be the sequence, at what time, why only this sequence, who will do this, is there any person can do this, and how it is to be done, why it is using particular method. That means we have to simplify the methods. Secondary question corresponding to each answer obtained from the primary question. Further questions are raised to explore the alternative methods, alternative techniques. What else, इसके अलावा और क्या कर सकते हैं? Where else, when else, who else, how else. As a result, one can develop a better method In light of the obtained answers to the following questions, what should be done, where should it be done, when, who and how? These are the operator process chart that we have already discussed. This is the operation, transportation, operation on hand. This is the delay, storage, transportation, to barrel in bin, pickup, barrel, traveling. These are the operation. Again, operation, movement. It is the application of left hand, right hand.
अब जाते जाते हम यह उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि आज आपने जो वीडियो देखा काफी कुछ समझ में आया होगा, और यदि आपको कुछ कम समझ में आया है तो इसको आप एक बार और देखिए। साथ में ही मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि इस वीडियो में जो टॉपिक था उससे रिलेटेड या सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड और वीडियो देखने के लिए हमेशा प्लेलिस्ट में जाइए, जहां पर 200 प्लस वीडियोज उपलब्ध हैं। और इस वीडियो के द्वारा जो नॉलेज मिला, जो आपकी स्किल डेवलप हुई और हमने जो अपने अनुभव शेयर किए, हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि यह आपके जीवन में नित्य नई उन्नति के द्वार खोलेंगे। और जाते जाते मैं यही कहना चाहता हूं कि आप सभी स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए। साथ में ही यह मुस्कुराहट अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी, अपने क्लासमेट के साथ, अपने शुभचिंतकों के साथ भी शेयर करते रहिए। धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद।